Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a video for you. It's basically how I clean my house before company comes over or just day-to-day things that I do. It usually takes me about 30 minutes. I quickly get through some of the things and I feel like I have a sense of order or organization to either tackle my day, or when I feel stressed out I do this, and it kind of clears my mind, clears my body and my soul, and I do these things every day, and no matter what, I don't miss a day. And let me tell you, it does wonders. So let me show you what I do in 30 minutes to keep my house in order, to keep my brain in order. So let's go ahead and get started. my video. If you do love cleaning videos, give me a thumbs up because I'll continue to do those throughout the whole year. I'll try to do them at least once a week, if not more. If there's a particular area in the house that you'd like me to go and tackle, let me know in the comments below. And remember to hit that subscribe button so you miss no videos from me. And I'll talk to you guys real soon.